Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to replace this cabin air filter on my wife's 2016 Ford Flex. So the first thing we need to do is get into this glove box. All right, so we're going to take this thing down, get my wife's stuff out of here. Pretty easy. All right, so I wanted to show you guys one more thing. So the easiest thing to do was to take it off the side of the box. As you can see, it's slid. Maybe you can see it slit, so it goes in and clips down. This thing wouldn't have came down if that was still hooked. Obviously it would have stopped about right there. Then we're gonna push in on the sides. So you can see those bumpers right there will come down. So push in, and voila, she folds down. Now the next thing is right here is your door to your cabin air filter. So this thing is simply just clipped in. All right, as you can see, I just got these two, pulled it out. You just pull down on them and it'll come right out. Now the next thing, reach in here, grab this guy. So, not too bad, but it is time to replace it. All right guys, so this is the part number that I got. It is an upgraded filter, so kind of a HEPA air filter. Put my babies in this vehicle. I like to keep it fresh. So, obviously it's gonna go the same way. You see how airflow goes on this guy. So that's how we're gonna put her in. All right guys, so there's how the filter goes. These flaps go up, the air goes down. So make sure these arrows on the side are pointed down, because that's how the airflow goes. So we'll just slide that guy back in there like so. Grab this air door right here. Go ahead and clip her in. 1, 2. And then I had to put my little slide here back together. As you see when I took it off, come apart. You just have a gasket that holds it from coming all the way out and one that holds it from going, well, basically two of them. So, with that being said, I put it back together. You can see how it works there. And it just clips back to here. So, when you seen as I took it apart, it was off. So I'm gonna snake that guy back in there and hook it back up. This job's done. All right, so you can see what that little air shock does. So the door don't fall down, but there it is. All right guys, hope this video helps. It was a little jumbled because I put that one piece forward, so you could see that there was a side piece that mine was unhooked, where someone had been there in there before. But hope this video does you good. If you would, please go subscribe to the channel and hit a follow on Instagram, Mustang Jackson 67. But until next time, let's keep building.